Red bread, an apple is red. Yummy red apple, crunchy and sweet. Fire truck, strawberry heart. All red things are a treat. Paint, paint, painted red. The top is red, that's what I said. Goodbye, red. Hello, orange. Peekaboo, a big orange pumpkin. Crunchy carrot, basset ball. Swimmy fish having a ball. Under the red goes orange. Squish, squash, paint the orange. Up, up, up we go to make a rainbow, don't you know? Red and orange, bright and new. We are painting me and you. Colors are everywhere to see. Come and sing along with me. Hello, yellow, Mr. Sun is yellow. Quack, quack, duck, he's a funny fellow. Ring, ring, banana, beep, beep, bus. Sour lemon, make a fuss. Yellow, yellow, bright and mellow. The middle is yellow. Driving to the forest. Look at all the green. Ribbit, ribbit, jump like a frog. Best green frog I've ever seen. Green like the grass, green like the trees. Paint it green, easy as a breeze. Yummy broccoli, slow turtle, green leaf boat. Watch us hurtle, floating down the river stream. Into the big blue sea. Blub, blub, blue, the ocean is blue. Hello, well, how do you do? Blueberries, yum, umbrella dry. Blue jeans under the blue sky. Blue for the sky, blue for the sea. Paint the blue, 1, 2, 3. Flying to the stars. Into the magical purple. Pretty purple flower. Sweet purple grapes. Flutter, butterfly in different shapes. Wiggle, octopus, purple party. Purple at the bottom, the rainbow is done. Yay, we had so much fun. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Sing with me. Wow, look at the big, beautiful rainbow. We love colors. Colors are everywhere. Bye-bye, friends. See you next time.